Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to attach or remove bands on your Apple Watch SE 2nd generation. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to take our Apple Watch and rotate them just like this. And now you can notice on each side of the screen these two little buttons. They respond for the wristbands. To remove a wristband, we would need to hold this button and slowly remove the wristband to any side. Doesn't matter in which. So let's do it. Hold the button with your nail and move the wristband. Just like this. Now let's do it on second side also. This is really easy, isn't it? And now to attach the wristbands back, we would need to take a closer look on each of them. So, for example, I will take this one and we will need to look on these three parts. As you can see, the middle part is another color than the others. That means that this side is meant to be on the inside of your Apple Watch, because on the second one, all of these three parts are the same color and this side should be outside, where your screen is. So, to attach a wristband, we would need to hold the same button and slowly push our wristband just like this. You can see this hole here. There we should put the wristband. Let me show you. So, I'm pushing the button with my nail and slowly putting the wristband on its place. Just like this. And now slowly move it from side to side until you will hear a click. Let's do it on the second side too. And that's it! Now you know how to remove or attach wristbands on your Apple Watch SE. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.